Now let me tell you about chicken and brining. Got some water here. Gonna add a little bit of sugar. Usually 1 part sugar, 2 parts salt. We're gonna put the juice of 1 lemon. Don't worry about the seeds or anything. Just quarter this baby. All right, I'm gonna add this to the brine. Squeeze and drop, squeeze and drop. It's gonna add a nice lemony flavor to your chicken along with the salt and the sugar. So that's in there. We're ready to go. I've got 4 chicken breasts with skin on because, I mean, there's no bone in. So we wanna keep a little bit of the moisture. What we wanna do is put that in the brine for about an hour, half an hour. Look, the more salt and the more sugar you put in the brine, the less time you have to soak it. I'm gonna get the chicken out that's been brining and get ready for the grill. It's been in there for about an hour. Those are patted dry. Now I'm going to start just building them up. A little butter, salt, pepper, the liquid smoke that's gonna make it taste like you did it outside on the grill for hours. Oh, man. So I'm gonna put this in here. Now remember, the good thing about drying off the chicken is the butter's not gonna slide off when you try and kinda put it in there. Make a little pocket. Don't take the skin completely off, all right? And then what I do is put a little leaf of sage right in there. Yeah. Finished up that last one there on the grill with the rest of them. Just gonna sear it. We're not gonna completely cook it through because that's gonna happen in the oven with the potatoes. If we do everything right, it's gonna finish all at the same time. It's gonna be so, so good. All right, so next, we're gonna work on getting our sauce ready for our white wine mushroom sauce. It's gonna be so unbelievable. All right, so I've got a pan right here on low. I'm gonna throw some butter in. All right, some olive oil. Thing about the butter and the olive oil, they help each other out. The butter's not gonna brown with the olive oil, and the olive oil's not gonna burn with the butter. So they're like great friends in this pan. All right, so add the onions, and I'm gonna get some mushrooms, slice them up, put them in there with the onions and wait for them to tender up. Let me check this chicken really quick. It might be ready for the oven. A few more minutes on this. Just added some cayenne pepper for a little bit of smoky flavor and heat to the onions and the mushrooms that are getting nice and translucent with the butter and the oil. Let me check my chicken here that's grilling. We don't want to completely cook it through. It looks good. So I'm going to put it in the oven with our potatoes. I'm just going to finish up cooking in there. Oh, it looks good. Nice and golden with the grill marks. Got to really invest in one of these pans if you don't have one. Get one with the handles, no big deal. All right, so I'm gonna put this in with the potatoes. It's gonna be in there. Oh, the potatoes smell so good. The garlic. It's gonna be in there about 20 minutes, all right? We're gonna finish off this white wine mushroom sauce with, of course, some white wine, some chicken stock, because the chicken is going on it, or under it. And of course, this is the lettuce for our salad. Oh, don't drop it. All right, good save. We're gonna put some wine in there. Just a little bit. We're gonna reduce it down so we get all the nice fruity flavors of the wine. Really work those bits from the bottom of the pan. It's gonna add a lot of nice flavor and texture to your gravy when you're done. All right, so wine down. We're gonna put some chicken stock in a minute, but we're gonna have to thicken it up at the end, and I wanna show you how to do that. What I like to do is 1 part butter and 1 part flour. It works so easily, so if you ever have lumpy gravy problems, give this a try. I'm feeling like I might wanna put some chicken stock in here. Yeah, the wine is reduced down. It's ready for the chicken stock. A lot of times people want to add some water into the gravy, but I say chicken stock. Adds a lot of body and depth and flavor. Oh, it smells so good. Now remember, that butter and flour, 1 tablespoon of each, so this is gonna thicken up with no lumps.